Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Bubble Buzz game. So let's get started right away. If you already have the Bubble Buzz game installed, then you can simply go ahead and open it up. While playing the game, there are various ways to reduce the sound. If you simply want to remove the sound for some time while you play the game, then you can use the phone's volume to reduce the sound to the bare minimum or mute it completely. If this is not your ideal choice and you want to change the volume settings at all times for the game, then simply go ahead and open up the game, and then from the menu page, you can simply tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of your device, and from there you can tap on the speaker icon to remove the audio or to enable it if it has been disabled. You can do this from the main menu settings, or while playing the game you can also find the settings option at the bottom right corner. You can simply tap on this option and then you can find the mute icon there as well. You can simply tap on it and this will remove the sound from the Bubble Buzz game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sound on the Bubble Buzz game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.